Today I'm sharing how I created this transparent layered journal using Grafix Arts products. The idea was to make a book where flipping through the pages feels like a gentle prayer itself. Let's walk through the whole process step by step. First, I created a layered file in Photoshop to map out the floral borders and the text. This helped me plan how the images would build up across the pages and ensure everything aligned perfectly when layered. I printed on both Computer Graphics Clear Film and Computer Graphics Clear Adhesive Film. Each sheet was cut 5.5 by 6 inches, and this is so that I could get 2 pages per sheet. The Mixed Media Journal that I used for the base is actually 6 inches by 6 inches, but I used a binding strip to attach the 5.5 by 6 inch pages so that they would fit and align perfectly. I scanned a page from the Mixed Media Journal, and then I used my Cricut to create custom binding strips. I knew that these would match the disc binding perfectly because I used the page from the journal to make them. I attached these strips to the pages that I printed out. Using the journal cover as a guide, I clipped each page in place, and then I could see exactly where to place the binding strip. I used Grafix Double Tack Adhesive to attach the binding strips. But for the adhesive film pages that I had printed out, I carefully applied them directly to the pre-punched mixed media pages, being careful to smooth out any air pockets. I love the variation in thickness and transparency this creates. To make the text more legible, I added a swatch of gesso to the back of the transparency behind the words. To make the journal covers, I prepped them first with gesso. Once dry, I added printed adhesive film with a floral border, and I trimmed it a little to leave a nice border. Then I used Sizzix luster wax in gold to edge the covers. Finally, I added a gate feature to the cover. I used Eileen Hull's new gate journal die. I rubbed some of the gold luster wax onto the gate, and then I folded back the binding part and glued just that part to the front. I used a small Velcro dot to attach this. A little vintage Denison label adds a sweet spot for an inscription that's hidden behind the gate. And here's the finished journal. I really love how it turned out. Peaceful, meaningful, and full of light. Grafix Arts products made this vision so easy to bring to life. If you make your own, I'd love to see it. Tag me and Grafix Arts. Thanks for watching.